The journey to fluency. Once upon a time, there was a young woman named Mia who dreamed of speaking English fluently. She had always admired how effortlessly others communicated in English, and she wanted to be just like them. But Mia had one problem: she wasn't confident in her language skills. She struggled with grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation, and often felt embarrassed when speaking. One day, Mia decided to take the plunge. She was tired of feeling left behind and wanted to be able to express herself freely in English. So, she set out on a journey to become fluent. Step 1. Embrace the basics. Mia started with the basics. She knew that a strong foundation was essential. She focused on learning common phrases and vocabulary that she could use in everyday conversations. Mia made a habit of learning a few new words every day and used them in sentences to practice. She also revisited grammar rules to understand sentence structures better. She realized that fluency wasn't just about knowing a lot of words, but also about knowing how to use them correctly. She spent time practicing verb tenses, prepositions, and articles, even if it felt tedious at times. Slowly, the pieces began to fall into place. Step 2. Practice. 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 Mia knew that the only way to truly improve was by practicing consistently. She began watching English movies and TV shows with subtitles to improve her listening skills. At first, she struggled to understand everything, but with time, she started picking up new expressions and accents. She even began repeating phrases she heard on screen, mimicking the pronunciation and rhythm. Mia also joined language exchange groups online. She found people who were learning her native language and, in return, they helped her with English. The more she spoke, the more comfortable she became. It wasn't perfect, but it didn't matter. Mia learned that making mistakes was part of the process. Step 3. Immerse yourself in English. As Mia's confidence grew, she immersed herself further in the language. She changed the language settings on her phone, social media accounts, and even her favorite apps to English. She started reading books, newspapers, and blogs in English. At first, she had to look up words constantly, but over time, her vocabulary expanded, and reading became easier. Mia also kept a journal in English. Writing about her day in English helped her practice sentence structure and vocabulary. She would often write short stories or reflections, which allowed her to express herself more creatively. Step 4. Surround yourself with native speakers to take her skills to the next level. Mia sought opportunities to speak with native English speakers. She attended meetups, joined online communities, and even traveled to English-speaking countries to immerse herself in the language. Every interaction, whether in person or online, became an opportunity to practice. At first, Mia felt nervous, but she realized that native speakers were always encouraging and understanding. They didn't judge her mistakes. Instead, they appreciated her effort. Slowly, Mia's accent became clearer, and her fluency improved. Step 5. Never stop learning. Mia's journey to fluency was long, but she never gave up. She continued to learn new vocabulary, practice speaking, and listen to English content every day. She understood that language learning was a lifelong process. Even after becoming fluent, she kept challenging herself by reading advanced books, listening to podcasts, and speaking with people from different cultures. Mia's fluency in English opened up new doors for her. She could travel, make international friends, and even find a better job. But most importantly, She felt proud of herself for persevering and achieving her dream. And so, Mia's journey didn't end with fluency. It was just the beginning of a new chapter in her life, where English became a tool for connection, growth, and endless possibilities. Moral of this story: becoming fluent in English is a journey that requires patience, practice, and perseverance. By starting with the basics, practicing consistently, immersing yourself in the language, and surrounding yourself with native speakers, you can achieve fluency and unlock countless opportunities. Never stop learning, and embrace the process with confidence.
Remember, learning a new language takes time and effort, but with consistent practice, you can achieve fluency. Don't give up and keep pushing yourself every day. Subscribe to English Gateway for more tips, lessons, and fun activities to improve your English skills. Let's make learning English an enjoyable journey together.